Hey everyone, I am Jasmine and today I'm here to make a new box opening video. I'm not going to show you everything, I'm just going to show you the head that's inside because the doll is in pieces. And let's see where to start. I think here I feel. I hope I'm doing it correctly. Through the box because finally opened. So here we go. Just have to see where the head is in. So just going to open it up and see. Wait, maybe I can just. Oh, bingo! I think I have the head by the way. So, very excited. Can go in there. It's also safely wrapped. I'm not worried. Though my cats are little rascals. Two red kittens. Well, kittens. They're not really kittens anymore. They're in puberty right now. Oh my gosh. Careful, 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 careful. Oh my gosh, I hope, I pray everything's still in one piece. She's so beautiful. Wow. She really looks amazing. And I think everything is still in one piece, which is the most important thing. So this is the head. I just wanted to show you only the head because I have to put the body together. So it's an Elfdoll Euna. That's why I was selling or trading my Euna, which is going to a new home next week. So I'm so happy. The face up is so beautiful. I am going to put her, together this week. And I can't wait. Those teeth are so cute. I love it. Really, really love it. And I'm so glad that she's still, in one piece. Let's say it like that. It's beautiful. See the shimmer everywhere. I'm really, really happy that she's here, or he in my case. And I hope that everything. I'm going to try and find her his styling. I won't say her all the time because the body is female in there. So I'm really excited, and I should just go to work because I have a lot of things to do now. Thank you for watching, and you can see the finished result on my Instagram page, which I will link down below. The face up and this trade is done with Beloveda. Also, you can find her also on Instagram, so feel free to check her out as well. Thank you so much.